Bill Goudy checking in. Oh, do I have an adventure for you today? Oh man. Yep, yep. Went out and caught a few bluegill. I'm going to cook them up. You got to check this out. So, I'm still in I think this is called East Fork State Park in, well, near Cincinnati. I'm near Cincinnati, Ohio, just across the border. And I'm going to meet up with Sarge 55 Garage. I hope. I'm going to meet him tomorrow. He leaves a lot of comments and stuff on my channel, but he doesn't make any videos. But I'll leave a link to him down below. You can check him out. Sounds like a nice guy, and you know, I'll meet him on my way out of town, I think, and then I'm going to go up and meet another YouTuber, David Bush, if he's available, and we'll see. But right now, I want to talk about Shalisa Shell. Yeah, look at that. She sent me a card. Yeah, with her sticker. I put her sticker on my refrigerator.
You've never experienced Ultimate Game Works at Newport on the Levee. On Thursday nights, play from 5 p.m. till midnight for just $10 per person.
And a couple of smaller stickers too. And I think she has some vinyl stickers as well. I don't know what I'll do with those yet, but thank you, dear. This is long, long overdue. I know I've been on the road traveling, and I came across this, and you know, you know how it is. I know you know. Yeah. Anyway, her link will be down below. Check her out. Tell her Bill Goudy sent you. Alright, well, I'm having a beverage. Yeah, out of a can. I only have cans when I go to the beach. Yeah. Well, I have a can when I can't find bottles. You know, I stopped a lot of places, and they have Bush Light in bottles, or they have Bud Light in bottles, but no Bush in bottles. I can't, I don't know. I can't understand that. So I'm catching a ton of bluegill on this setup right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's a slip bobber. Just beating the wax worm on a very small hook. I'm just catching all kinds of small ones, but occasionally I catch a big one. And now I'm only keeping the ones that, you know, that swallow the hook. Yeah, that aren't going to make it. Alright, well, as soon as those coals get ready, we're going to cook up some bluegill. I'm just going to have some bluegills and a salad. Man, I'm hungry for that. I've just been hungry. The coating I'm going to use is experimental. Yeah, because I've put some Slap Your Mama. I got, you know, my basic foundation in there. I got a little Lowry's and garlic powder. And I got that all mixed together, and I mixed it all up on the fish. And I'm going to fry that in peanut oil with a little bit of butter. I always like to put a butter, when you're using open fire and oil, you got to be real careful. And that butter tends to stabilize that oil. But not only that, it adds flavor. So, yeah. I'm ready. Little one, tiny. I'm gonna cook me some bluegills the old-fashioned way. I come to Ohio and I caught some fish. Caught a whole bunch of fish actually. They weren't any size to them. I only kept what I needed, so I'm gonna cook them up in the cast iron skillet the old-fashioned way. The way Grandpa taught me. Oh man. And yeah. I broke down. I don't know, can you see that? I bought firewood. Yeah, this is all, you know, a little bit damp. I don't know. I'm gonna try to use it, but I'm gonna baton some of that to that drier stuff and make fire. This is my BK Brute. I won that on YouTube. Yeah, I sure did. Look at that, huh? Like cutting butter. That's tough stuff now. But not too tough for the Brute, that's for sure. Yeah. There we go. A lot better when you got some dry wood, I'm telling you. A lot better. So you can tell there's some wet wood in there. She's a smoking like a big dog. But hopefully it'll come out of it. All this breeze. Look, yeah, I got this at the Knife Works. It's made by Lodge, but it's for that cast iron handle. Yeah, it's a silicone pad to keep me from burning my hand. You know, it's tough, but somebody's got to do it. I tell you. Let's look at this. Will you look at this? It's a mini geocache. And I've watched Lost, Rex. I watched them all. Yeah, doing a geocaching video. And guess what? I just happened to go over in the woods and I found this. I'm going to get some firewood and yeah, I see April of this year, of 17, was the last time somebody has found this. So I'm going to sign this and date it and put it back where it was. It doesn't have anything to leave, you know. Well, some of them are bigger and have things you can leave. But actually, this is my first an accidental geocache. It really is. Let's see, when was the first one? Let's see if I can find that out. There's 2016. It looks like 4/1/16 at 9:35 p.m. Doc Jailer dropped it off here. Huh. And there was lots of people in 2016 that found it, but 2016 February of and then April of 2017, and this is May. So yeah, ha. I'll put it down for May. Isn't that awesome? A geocache right there. I didn't even know it. Yeah, that's a good hot fire. can smell the garlic in here. I wish you could smell that. Yeah, I just put them in that plastic bag. Mix it all up. Now we'll wait for the oil to get hot. Oh, perfect. Look at that. It don't get any fresher. Just an hour or two ago, those things were swimming around. Yeah. They're going to be hot on my plate here in just a few minutes. Will you look? Will you look at this? Look at that. A chef salad. Oh man. We got lettuce and radishes and onions and cabbage and cheese. And of course, you know what? Yep. One of my favorites right there. Ken's. Chunky blue cheese. And look at this. I'm just going to hold this up. Will you look at that? Huh? Look. Will you look at that? Bluegills done the old-fashioned way. And I don't know who it was. One of my subs was talking about eating tails. They're just like potato chips. Oh, they're so good. Somebody else was talking about eating fins, but you don't want to eat the fins on these. They're too sharp. They're like bones. So, no, you don't want to do that. I'm telling you, my experimentation with that coating is awesome. Oh, there's just something about this fish. There's no bones in this. I just peeled that right off. I left the bones down here. Oh. You know, so fresh. Grandpa was right. Veal, it is. I don't know if you guys know what veal is. It's a young calf. You know, it's young and tender. And people don't realize where their food comes from. And I'm telling you, I am so happy. I'm blessed to have had the opportunity to catch these fish. I am. And enjoy their flavor. It's just outstanding. It really is. All right, let's try a little of this salad, shall we? With some of my. Look at that. Look at that. I love that blue cheese. It's got Kobe Jack cheese on it too. Man, look at this. I have to suffer through a can. Yeah, suffer. I'd like to hang around. You know I would. I gotta go. It's been a busy day. Got a big day tomorrow. I'm going to be doing some more traveling, and I hope to meet up with a couple of YouTubers. So, Goudy out for now. Thank you for watching. For you that don't believe, look, all the meat, everything is gone. It's all gone out of there. Nothing goes to waste. So it doesn't matter. The veal is so good. It really doesn't matter. All right. I guess I can say I'm really out this time.